confirmation number is got no ticket in it. That's the issue. That's the problem. You can see the ticket number, and maybe you can do something. There's a ticket number.
Lufthansa, hey, if anybody's listening to me, Lufthansa sucks ass. Do not fly them, ever.
I'm going to give this phone to the passenger, but don't hang up, please. Sir, it's a ticket bought from you. You guys need to fix this because these people need to go. There is no flights out of Nashville for the next 3 days due to your strike. I mean, we're taking a delay. We're taking a delay already on this flight. Just give us 2 new ticket numbers, please. I don't know why it's not working. We're with the help desk on the other side. Hello, the tickets, sir, the tickets are bought from you. Why is it our problem? If the ticket is purchased through you and you haven't attached that ticket to the PNR, it is not my problem until I have a number.
Do you have a boss? Do you have someone standing behind you who can help? Anybody else? We are going to lose so much money because you can't give us a ticket number.
Call me at 54989.
He already gave you the ticket number.
It's not correct. It's not correct.
That is not our fault because there are
You gotta
ticket
go.
numbers showing here.
Oh shit. Okay. Well, I need to. Shush. I miss David.
He needs to go.
Okay, David. Well, we've just missed our flight, so now I'm calling you for a different reason. We missed our flight because you couldn't give us the right ticket number. So I need you to tell me what the hell I'm supposed to do now.
I give you a number, please. What is that number?
We missed it.
You heard me, I tried my best.
I know, you guys, it's not your fault. It's not your
I was
fault.
like, get a new number.
But this is what happened 2 years ago with the same company, and we lost $4,000, and so we're using the voucher now to go on a new trip.
Oh, that's a voucher?
Mm-hmm. We were here 3 hours early. How did nobody know that we couldn't get on that plane? How did I make it here?
United is expecting Lufthansa to attach your ticket number to it.
They just didn't.
Yeah, they just
Yeah,
never
no.
did.
I just don't want to leave here without knowing where that bag's going to go.
So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go out to baggage claim. So just go outside, go down one level, go to baggage claim. There are 2 to 3 agents there. Keep this. Do not lose these. Do not displace them, okay?
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sorry.
So we were not allowed to get on the flight, but our bag was on that plane. So the bag's gone. We'll figure that out later. But right now, we had to go back out to the main area and buy a new flight to Greece. So that was a lot of money.
Yeah.
So really, really hoping that Lufthansa refunds this. But honestly, Lufthansa sucks. And I don't think they're going to refund it because they just disappear.
Yep. It's over.
It's over. But we've now bought 2 tickets to Greece. And so we're still going. We're just going to be 12 hours later than the original plan. But we're headed to New York right now. And then we will head to Athens. But we don't have a bag.
Ne.
So we might just be naked in Greece.
Every day. So we just arrived
In New York.
in New York,
So that means we're almost there. Like only 12 more hours.
but we are headed to Turkey.
Yeah. We are. We're headed to Turkey.
Istanbul.
Istanbul. Yeah. So Istanbul, and then after we get to Istanbul, we'll go to Athens. Okay. Thank you. And there is food on the plane. Snacks. Okay.
Anchan, we got tickets.
Don't be excited yet. Last time we got to the plane.
We are going to Turkey. なんて言ってんの？
Some showers rain in the vicinity and temperatures 170 Celsius.
Okay, and what's
I
English?
hope you enjoyed your flight. I wish you all happy landing. Thank you.
It's very connected.
拍手よかったかな。
We're alive.
We are alive. 着いたね。やば。ターキーですよ。
Hello. Hi, do you exchange dollars for euros? So, how much would the exchange rate be for $500?
わお。
$3.74 is okay. So, right now the dollar and the euro are about the same. So okay, that's as good as you can do. Okay, we'll pass. Thank you.
Thank you. マジでさっきさ一番最初いくらだっけ？
So right now the dollar and the euro are essentially the same. So for $500,
Yeah.
I should be able to get like 502 euros. But he offered me 374 euros, so he would have taken about 130 euros from us.
その前に行ったところなんて最初の人300、500ダラーを330？
Yeah, the first person was like 330, lowballing, and then I said, "Oh fuck no, that's ridiculous." And she said, "Oh, what about 440?" So she basically was giving us back like almost $100. They can just make up whatever numbers they want.
だから本当にねやっぱ日本人の方で、まあこうやってなんかちゃんとしてるところでも結構やっぱお金本当にぼったくられたりするので。
Be careful. Be very careful. Have an app on your phone that tells you what the exchange rate really is. I mean, they have to take a fee, but if it's over $30, $40, I would pass.
いやーあの人たちがさお金ねチェンジできるからね。
Yeah, that's how they make their money.
いや that's so crazy.
Sonuç üyede alamazsınız dedi. Benim yolcu boyutlu içeride dedi.
Oh, 着いた Greece.
We're 16 hours later than we thought we would be, but we're here. So now, the
Yes.
moment of truth. Let's go see if our bag is also in Greece.
いやーバッグがあるかだよね本当に。
I don't think it's here, but we're gonna see. Like, if it's here, we will be the luckiest people in the world. Because it literally got on a plane without us.
いやマジであるといいね。
One bus you showed me arrives tomorrow morning on a Delta flight.
It's supposed to arrive tomorrow? Okay, so is there any way to get it delivered, or are we gonna have to come back? So, we've been waiting, I think it's 40 minutes we've been in this line, just to find out that our bag is going to arrive tomorrow here at 10. We have a taxi driver waiting for us. I feel very bad for him. And I'm gonna tell them our address so that they can send us our bag.
あー今日ね It's been a long trip.
So that's we just found out. She just told us they're sending it tomorrow. That's the number she typed in. She sent me to you so I can give you an address.
プレイス着いたけどノーバッグね。よし